నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ శ్రీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్. సో మనం ఈరోజు డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్న టాపిక్ మొఘల్ ఎంపైర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ పార్ట్ 2. In which year did Akbar build the Ibadat Khana at Fahedpur Sikri? The correct answer is 1575 CE. The new religion proclaimed by Akbar in 1582 CE was known as. The correct option is Din-e-Ilahi. The literal meaning of Din-e-Ilahi is. The correct option is peace with all. How many people joined Din-e-Ilahi? The correct option is only 18. The main occupation of people during the Mughal period was. The correct option is agriculture. The important source of income for Mughal Empire was. The correct option is B. Agriculture revenue. Which system was introduced by Akbar to fix rank, salary and military duties? The correct option is C. Mansabdari system. The term Mansab means. The correct option is rank or position. Each Mansabdari maintained a soldier's rank ranging from. The correct option is C. 10 to 10,000. Mughal relations with Rajputs were strengthened mainly through. The correct option is marriages, position in court. During whose reign did Mughals' relation worsen and revolts increase? The correct option is option D. Aurangzeb. Akbar abolished which taxes to promote religious tolerance? The correct option is jizya tax and pilgrim tax. Jizya tax was paid by. The correct option is option C. Non-Muslims. Which crops were grown extensively during the Mughal period? The correct option is wheat, rice, and barley. The revenue system developed under Akbar was known as. The correct option is B. 7th. The 7th system was developed under the supervision of. The correct option is Raja Todarmal. Under the 7th system, revenue was payable in. The correct option is C. Dams. The Mughal architectural city built by Akbar was. The correct answer is Fahedpur Sikri. Buland Darwaza was built to commemorate. The correct option is victory over Gujarat. The Mughal architecture mainly used which construction material? The correct option is option C. Marble. The Red Fort was built by which Mughal emperor? The correct option is Shah Jahan. The Red Fort was the fortified palace of which city? The correct answer is Shah Jahanabad. Which of the following is not a structure inside the Red Fort? The correct option is Buland Darwaza. The Taj Mahal is located in which city? The correct option is Agra. The Taj Mahal was built in memory of whom? The correct option is C. Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal is made of which material? The correct option is option C. Marble. The Taj Mahal is considered as one of the dash wonders of the world. The correct option is option C. 7 wonders of the world. The official language of Mughal Empire was. The correct option is option C. Persian. Who wrote the Babarnama? The correct option is Babar. Akbarnama was written by. The correct answer is Abdul Fazal. Jahangir is an autobiography of. The correct option is Jahangir. Who translated the Bhagavad Gita into Persian? The correct option is Dara Shikoh. The famous Hindi poet who wrote the Ramanna Charitam was. The correct option is Tulsidas. Mughal miniature painting reached its peak during the reign of. The correct option is Jahangir. Which colors were newly introduced in Mughal paintings? The correct answer is peacock blue and Indian red. Who was the most famous musician in Akbar's court? The correct answer is Tansen. Tansen belonged to the court of. The correct option is Akbar. Shivaji was crowned as Chhatrapati at. The correct option is Raigarh. Shivaji belonged to which kingdom? The correct answer is Maratha. Shivaji was born at. The correct answer is Shivaneri Fort. Shivaji's father was. The correct option is Shahaji Bhonsle. Shivaji killed Afzal Khan using Viagra Naka. Shivaji was an expert in which type of warfare? The correct option is guerrilla warfare. Which Mughal emperor arrested Shivaji at Agra? The correct option is option C. Aurangzeb. Shivaji escaped from imprisonment at the correct option is B. Agra. The Mughal Empire was founded by the Babur in the correct answer is 1526 CE. The Mughal Empire collapsed in the correct option is 1857 CE. The last Mughal ruler was the correct option is option C. Bahadur Shah. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ వీడియో. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ అవర్ ఛానల్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.